planes left an airport at noon. One flew east and the other one flew west. Okay, and they don't tell us the speed. All they tell us is that this one, if this speed was x, this one's speed is twice as fast, so it'll be 2x. After 3 hours, the planes were, after 3 hours, they were 27 miles apart. So this is, basically I have to state let x be the speed of, first plane, which means the second plane, second plane is 2x. Okay, the key thing here is we need to express then the distance traveled by the first plane. Distance traveled by the first plane will be x times by 3 hours, so 3x. Distance is always speed times by time. We're given the time, so it's 2x times by 3. So the total distance traveled in 3 hours is 3x plus 6x. This is given to be 2700. So now we can figure out their speed. We have 9x equals 2700. X is going to be, 300. So the first plane was flying at, is 300 miles per hour. And the second plane, speed is 600 miles per hour.